Hey guys, which product do you think is going to work better? I happened to pick both of these up. Both of them are a powder cleanser. You saw one was Barkeeper's Friend, the other was the Bonamime, and I'm trying to see which one will clear up this rust stain better, which I will show you later on in the video. So I'm doing a deep clean of my bathroom area, and the one thing that I struggle with is rust. And you would expect it on the shower rings and even on the shower bar. However, I always get the rust in the center of the bathtub. And I know it's because the bathtub isn't really pitched to where it drains all of the water, so it kind of sits right in the spot by the drain, and I always get a little rust stain there. Plus the tub is pretty old. My husband and I renovated this bathroom probably 20 years ago, maybe 22 years ago now, so it is time for an update, and I am starting to price out some tubs. But here you see the rust stain, and I'm using these two products along with these other products that I'm going to use in just cleaning the bathroom. And I will show you a new Scotch-Brite item that I got that's coming up now. I'm trying to save my back, because this is one thing that does kill my back, is leaning over and trying to scrub this tub all the time. But we're going to see which one of these two products is going to work better. So the new product I got was this Scotch-Brite shower scrubber, and it worked really well. It saved a lot of pain on my back. For some reason, anytime I'm in here scrubbing this tub, it always does. It hurts my back a little bit. Some days it's not as bad as others, but I was trying to find something so that I didn't have to lean so far into the tub and reach so far for scrubbing the surround of the tub, and it did work pretty well. Now you see here that I have the Barkeeper's Friend and the Bonamime. I put it on the rust stain and I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I came back and scrubbed everything, and now I'm just rinsing off the scrubber because I did use it on the Barkeeper's Friend, and now I'm doing it on the Bonamime, and you're going to see which one of them actually cleared the rust stain better in just a second. So as I'm showing you here, I used the Barkeeper's Friend on the left side, and you can see most of the rust is gone, and the Bonamime on the right side, and it did leave a bit of the rust stain, and the center part there is where I didn't use anything. That was the original one. So for me, the Barkeeper's Friend did work a lot better, and that's what I'm going to use throughout the whole tub. Now I will say you are going to see me use the Lysol on the grout here. However, I did rinse off both products actually very well, because you are not supposed to use any bleach or ammonia when you're using the Barkeeper's Friend. So just keep that in mind. No bleach, no ammonia with Barkeeper's Friend. So I am going to rinse everything down really well, and then put a little bit of my Lysol Cling Gel that I usually use for the toilet on my grout here, because my grout is just not coming clean anymore, and I think it may be time to just re-grout. I hate to do that while I'm pricing out tubs, but I don't know. Maybe it'll just give me some peace of mind to have nice clean grout until I get a new tub.
Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here?
Okay, so everything is rinsed down, and now I'm going to use some of this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Yeah, I said toilet bowl cleaner, but this stuff works awesome for your grout in your tub, or even your grout like around your kitchen sink or something, because it just clings there, which is the great part. However, it's not working on this grout this time. This grout, I think at this point, is too far gone, and I just need to rip it out and re-grout, because it's a mess. And you know what? We work hard to clean our stuff, right? We want everything to look like shiny and new, and this grout's just not cutting it. And I did say before that I'm pricing out tubs, but let's face it, it's probably going to be 3 to 6 months before there's a new tub in here. One, because I make a decision on it. It's just that I will read all the reviews and try and work out what's best for the space, the money. That's the big part. And right now, honestly, like contractors, it's hard to get people out to your house to do work. They're backed up for quite some time, and that's because we were stuck in for so long and everybody's getting stuff done now. Like I know for me personally, it's been about a month and a half to try and get some quotes on roofing, and I know like those guys are crazy busy right now. So fingers crossed that I can get a roofer out to give me an estimate. I need to get my house done and my garage done, and then also fingers crossed that I can get a tub decision done and in this house before the holidays. Maybe I should make that a priority before the holidays to get my roof done and my tub done.
Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach side. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
So now I'm going to move on to try and get some of that rust off of the shower curtain rings, and I'm just doing a mix of CLR and water, and I'm just going to let them sit and soak for a little bit, and we're going to see how that does. I might have to buy new ones, but we'll see how this works first.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like.
Okay, so here's our checklist. We have our Lysol bleach sitting on the grout, which is still sitting. And we also have our shower curtain rings sitting in the water and CLR mixture. They're soaking. I did a lot of waiting today, just waiting for stuff to kind of soak and sit and set. But now I'm going to move on to filling up the containers. We needed some of our toothpick or our flossers and some of our Q-tips, so I have to put those on my list because I just used the last of them, so I can't forget that, because I know I'll go to the store and completely forget. I'll be like, I need new shower rings, and forget everything else that I need. But we're going to finish this up, and then I'm going to move into scrubbing the grout, and you're going to see, unfortunately this time, it didn't work as well.
I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, so maybe the grout didn't get as clean as we wanted to, but check this out. The rust stain is gone. Thank you, Barkeeper's Friend. Not for sponsoring a video, because there's no sponsorships here, let's face it. But it did work great on this rust stain. The Bonami I do like. I would use that more for like an everyday, maybe a weekly scrub of the tub, because it's not as harsh as the Barkeeper's Friend. You are supposed to wear gloves when you use the Barkeeper's Friend, which I didn't, so I am sorry. Please don't come at me. But now I'm just going to put everything back in the tub and now kind of wipe down this area here where the water kind of spills out when everybody's taking a shower. Let's face it, it happens to all of us. So I'm just going to bleach this down really quick. And I'm going to put back here my Dr. Teal's. We bought a couple of these and I am loving this stuff. I didn't realize how great it was. I was always a Bath and Body Works kind of girl and getting their bath bubbles and their shower gels. But this Dr. Teal stuff is awesome. I would highly recommend it if you don't use it. I'm sure there's a lot of people that know about it already. I'm just kind of, I guess, late to the party.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Okay, so I scrubbed these. This is as good as they're getting. I apparently need to get shower rings now. I'm squirting some of the Murphy's oil on them just so they slide a little better on the curtain rod. And I'm going to use that also on the shower curtain rod. There's a few little rust spots on there. It's not nearly as bad as the rings were, but everything will just slide a lot smoother. So here's our running list. We need Q-tips and flossers, which we'll probably get at Target. Oh, actually, we'll probably get the shower curtain rings at Target too. But the exciting part is that we're going Home Depot because we need grout, and I love Home Depot. I could spend hours in this store. Nobody will go with me because that's just it, hours. I will look at anything they put in front of me, from paint to even a saw. I don't care. I will look at everything. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to see what kind of mess I'm going to get myself into next time. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye guys.